right, let me cut across to big breaking news coming in. Kolkata High Court has now wrapped the Mamata Banerjee government. The High Court rejecting TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee's claim, saying our hands are tied. Let the court give us go ahead. We will arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. To which the court has now responded that there has been no restriction for the TMC police against arresting Shah Jahan. The only restriction was to form an SIT team when a parallel ED investigation is underway. The Kolkata High Court saying, what more proof do you need for land grab? People coming forward and accusing Sheikh Shah Jahan of land grab. Reports show government returning grabbed lands, proof of land grab in Sandeshkhali. No bar to arrest or take action against Sheikh Shah Jahan. The court clarifying itself, basically responding to Abhishek Banerjee, who earlier had said that our hands are tied, can't act against Shah Jahan as our hands are tied because the court hasn't allowed us to carry out a parallel investigation. The court now clarifying on the same. Let me cut across to Anupam joining us, our correspondent, for more on that. Anupam, give us a sense of what the court has said, almost wrapping the West Bengal government for not taking action against Shah Jahan Sheikh. The restriction was only not to form a parallel SIT team when the ED investigation is underway, but the court says who asked the TMC police not to crack down on Shah Jahan?
Hello.
Anupam, if you can hear me, Abhishek Banerjee had said that the court has kept our hands tied. We can't act on Shah Jahan because the court hasn't mandated us to, or rather has stopped the TMC government from initiating a parallel investigation to what the ED is already doing in a different case. But the court now clarifying itself in Kolkata, the Kolkata High Court, saying no bar or restriction in cracking down or taking action against Shah Jahan. You have enough proof of land grab that you have in front of you. Why haven't you taken action?
Yes, Nabila, big update coming from Kolkata High Court, and Kolkata High Court is slamming West Bengal government, especially West Bengal police, that why you haven't arrested Sheikh Shah Jahan, because there are a lot of allegations, several kind of allegations of land grabbing against him, and the proof is that the West Bengal government himself has started a camp there to repay the money or repay the amount which has been taken as a land from villagers. So there is enough proof that he has done something, and there is no stay on arresting Sheikh Shah Jahan. That is what Kolkata High Court CJI has said, because West Bengal government, especially Abhishek Banerjee, has claimed that their hands are tied because of the order of Kolkata High Court, where they have stayed the investigation of SIT, Special Investigation Team. But Kolkata High Court has clearly said and clarified that there is no stay on arresting of Sheikh Shah Jahan. The stay was only on investigation on SIT. There is no connection of arresting Sheikh Shah Jahan in this case. So this is a big kind of update which we are getting from Kolkata High Court at present.
All right, so the Kolkata High Court there very clearly saying, why haven't you arrested Sheikh Shah Jahan? Quite obvious that there are allegations, serious ones, against him and his brother. Why hasn't there action been taken? The only restriction was not to form a parallel SIT when the ED is investigating the matter. But of course, Sheikh Shah Jahan must be arrested. Much over a month, Shah Jahan is still absconding. And here you had TMC Neta, Mamata Banerjee's nephew, Abhishek Banerjee, who said, our hands are tied.
জানুয়ারি যে ঘটনাটা ঘটেছিল, যেখানে ইডি আধিকারিকদের উপর হামলা চালানো হয়েছিল বলে তারা অভিযোগ করেছিল এবং তারাই এফআইআর করেছিল, ইডির আধিকারিকরা। সেখানে কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের মাননীয় বিচারপতি জয় সেনগুপ্তর বেঞ্চ একটি অর্ডার দেয় যে একটা এসআইটি তৈরি হবে, যেখানে রাজ্য প্রশাসন, রাজ্য পুলিশের একজন কর্তা থাকবে, প্রতিনিধি থাকবে, এবং সিবিআই এর একজন প্রতিনিধি থাকবে, এবং স্পেশাল ইনভেস্টিগেটিং টিম তৈরি হবে এসআইটি, যেটা সন্দেশখালি ঘটনাটা ইনভেস্টিগেট করে যাতে দোষীরা শাস্তি পায় তার সুব্যবস্থা করবে। খুব সম্ভবত 10-12 দিন পরে ইডি অ্যাপিল করে মাননীয় হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চে অ্যাপিল করে তারা স্টে চায় এবং ইডির অ্যাপিল অনুযায়ী কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতির বেঞ্চ সেই স্টে মঞ্জুর করে। স্টে মানে ইনভেস্টিগেশন হবে না, স্টে মানে কাউকে অ্যারেস্ট করা যাবে না। এটা কে করেছে? মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। এটা করেছে হাইকোর্টের বিচারপতি। হাইকোর্ট যদি বিচার ব্যবস্থা যদি রাজ্য পুলিশ প্রশাসনের হাত পা বেঁধে দেয়, এফআইআর স্থগিত করে দেয়, তাহলে পুলিশ অ্যারেস্ট করবে কোত্থেকে?
All right, that's Abhishek Banerjee, who says that our hands are tied. The court hasn't allowed us to carry out a parallel investigation, therefore suggesting that they can't arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. Now, one remembers a few weeks ago, the Enforcement Directorate, almost a month and a half now it's been since the ED crackdown on Sheikh Shah Jahan in a ration scam. While he went absconding soon after, there was a plea before court filed by the ED to investigate the matter and get after him. The court has allowed the ED to carry out their own investigation and restricted a parallel investigation by the TMC government. But since then to now, there have now been several other allegations and different scams that are coming to light against Sheikh Shah Jahan and his brother Sirajuddin. Now, in the latest land grab cases that have surfaced, many of them claiming that he and his brother have grabbed huge portions of lands of several villagers in Sandeshkhali village and neighboring areas. Anupam is still with us. Anupam, here you have Abhishek Banerjee, who says our hands are tied. That's a very flimsy reasoning that the TMC Neta is giving, not to crack down on his own leader who's absconding for more than a month. How can TMC Netas not really know where their strong man is?
Well, Kolkata High Court has clarified that the alibi which was given by TMC and especially Abhishek Banerjee, that their hands are tied, West Bengal police hands are tied. If they have the permission of Kolkata High Court, they would have been arrested Sheikh Shah Jahan. So Kolkata High Court had specifically said that we haven't said that you cannot arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. We have just stayed the SIT investigation. So there is no connection between SIT investigation stay and arrest of Sheikh Shah Jahan. And especially when we are witnessing that it's over 10 or 12 days that hundreds of people, especially women, are protesting in Sandeshkhali and accusing Sheikh Shah Jahan that he is the main culprit. And there are three main allegations. One is land grabbing, second is sexual assault, and third is they couldn't vote. So these are the three allegations which are coming up by the mainly by the villagers, especially women of Sandeshkhali, and every corner, political corner, was also shouting that why they have not arrested Sheikh Shah Jahan. So in that moment, Abhishek Banerjee has said that they
Kolkata High Court saying arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. There's basically no restriction that the TMC government has in arresting Sheikh Shah Jahan on the number of allegations that have been leveled against him by the women there, be it sexual assault against him and his aides, be it land grabbing, not being allowed to vote. These are all allegations apart from what the ED was investigating specifically on a ration scam. Ration scam separate. Here are multiple allegations that are mounting on Sheikh Shah Jahan and his brother. The court says, what's stopping you from taking action? We never asked you to stay away from arresting this man. Stern message coming in from the Kolkata High Court asking for Shah Jahan to be arrested. High Court to the police, specific message: send public notice to Shah Jahan. Issue a notice in newspapers on Shah Jahan, in daily newspapers, to see where he is, his whereabouts, arrest him immediately. Here you have the Kolkata High Court's orders now issuing a public notice against Sheikh Shah Jahan, informing that he has been added as a respondent and directing the TMC government, specifically the police of West Bengal, to go ahead and take action, as there are several allegations of land grab that are very evident now mounting on him by scores of villagers in Sandeshkhali and the neighboring areas. Anupam.
Exactly. Now the onus of arresting Sheikh Shah Jahan is on West Bengal police, because the alibi, the things, the claims that they were making, especially TMC, that their hands are tied, has been clarified by Kolkata High Court that it has no connection with the arrest of Sheikh Shah Jahan. No one is stopping you to arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. But apart from Sheikh Shah Jahan, there has one more complaint has been registered against his brother Sheikh Sirajuddin. So there are two culprits where police had to act, and police I think will have to act now, because court has clarified.
So, and now there's no excuses, Anupam. It's impossible for the TMC to make any further excuses. It's been much over a month that no concrete action has taken against the Shah Jahan Sheikh. At least the fact that the TMC should have made it appear that they're serious about ensuring justice to their own women of West Bengal. No investigation that was launched, even on the other allegations, apart from what the ED was probing, showing the intent, poor intent of the West Bengal government.